I've recently moved into a new house and I have been buying lots of houseplants, but now I need to find places to put them around the home. So in this video today, I'm going to show you the right plant to put into the right room, all thanks to Skurridge, who have provided the containers that we're using to dress up these houseplants. Houseplants are still super trendy. They're great for our well-being. They're fun to grow, great for all ages to engage with plants. So let's see where we can place some of my brilliant plants. So my first specimen, this is the Alocassia, which I also call the Spider-Man plant. Now this is in this brand new Lagom style container from Skurridge. It looks absolutely amazing and I love the texture, the color, and this is indirect light in this part of the room. So I think he's going to be really happy. But I need some more foliage in this room. Let's sort that out. This is the rare black form of the ZZ plant. Now, ZZ plants can survive in almost any room of the home. They don't need that much light. They're really, really easy to grow and they'll last for years. And a lot of people think they bring luck to the home as well. And a bit more. This is a gorgeous begonia and this is going to be super happy in this location. When you're growing leafy begonias like this, make sure they dry out between each watering. Look at that styling. As a group, they look absolutely amazing and they're going to look good all year round. But how about one of the darkest rooms of the home? The toilet. Very small window. What sort of plant could I put in here? Well, how about a pothos? These vines are used to growing in the rainforest and they often don't get much light at all. So this is going to be perfect in this little room here. So I've chosen a light coloured container for this pothos because there's not much light in here already, so we need this to glow a little bit. Excellent vinyl style container from Skurridge. My pothos is going to be super happy. What plants are you going to put in the bathroom? You're going to use ferns. Ferns will love the moist atmosphere. And if you haven't got a big window in your bathroom, they'll still be absolutely happy. Now, I think this Skurridge stoneware style container will go perfectly with my pink bathroom suite. How about another fern? I've got the Asplenium bird's nest fern here. Really beautiful. It's going to love that moist bathroom atmosphere as well. He's such a little cutie. He's going to have fun on there with his little ferny friends. I'm a big fan of orchids, so I want to get an orchid into this bathroom as well. How about another moth orchid? I've taken the stems off so it's going to hang naturally and I'm going to put it in a hanging container. It's going to love the bathroom too, all that humidity. So Skurridge don't just do pots, they also do macrame holders with those containers. This orchid, it will probably think it's just in the rainforest. Now I'm in my guest bedroom. I need some big impact plants to help me show off. What better than a yucca? Whoa, this is a monster. It's going to give instant impact in the corner of the room. And I've chosen this vinyl style container as well from Skurridge. All shapes and sizes, as you can see. Now this guest bedroom gets sun throughout the day, so I would be the best host when I have people to stay here in the house. But which plants can put up with sun all through the day, baking hot like a desert? The answer is cacti and succulents. This beautiful new variety of aloe will be really, really happy on this sunny windowsill. Look, it's even starting to flower. So I'm also going to grab another succulent, and one you may have heard of, an Echeveria, incredibly popular plants. Let's get it in place. What a pretty little rosette, and again, when that's happy, it will bloom. And do you know what? You could forget to water that for a month and it would still be happy. When I'm working in my office, I want plants that are going to help to purify the air, help me to have a clearer mind, and I want them to be fairly good looking too. So I've chosen an Anthurium. Isn't that just beautiful? Flowering for months on end, really easy in even low light levels. So a fancy plant needs a fancy pot. Thanks to Skurridge, I have this beautiful modern design. My Anthurium is going to be super happy. Now this door is always blowing shut and I want to keep it open for air circulation. So I was thinking about getting a doorstop. what better thing to use as a doorstop than a Magava? Here we go. I've placed that into one of the biggest styles that Scourge do. The Magava is a brand new plant that is a hardy succulent. You can grow it outdoors, you could grow it indoors, but most of all, you could use it as a doorstop. So now to the bedroom. I need better air purification to give me a good night's sleep. Which plant is best for that? It's the Sansevieria, mother-in-law's tongue. Now, Sansevieria are super versatile. They will grow in the darkest of rooms. So I'm going to place that here on my dressing table. So one final plant that I need to find a home for. It's air purifying. It looks good. It also grows in darker rooms. Introducing Monster and Monkey Mask. There you go. I think he or she will be very happy there. So every plant now has a home. Not only does it have the ideal room to grow in, but it also has a decorative outer container thanks to Scourge. It's always worth buying a decorative outer container because it can help your plant to look good, but it also helps with drainage too. It avoids waterlogging. It means you can regulate your watering much, much better. Why not have a look on the Scourge website and you'll see a range of different styles, especially some that they've just released for the new season, from cozy cottage through to urban jungle. There's a pot for everyone and of every size as well. So why not go check it out?